guys, welcome back to our channel. We got our sister ready for prom. You've never met her yet. Her name is Vanessa. She's 16 and she's the youngest gal. Look at her. No. So what we did is I started by braiding her hair and leaving just a little section of leave out. And you know, keeping it moist, you know what I'm saying? She has natural hair just like us. And she wanted some nice curly waves on her head. So we took a wig that's quite old now. But you know, it's your first wig, girl. Cut out the lace part because it's not working anymore. Shut it off. And then we, Alma, sewed it into just the perimeters of where her leave out would be. And yeah, I just kept it simple just so that it stays secure. And yeah, she like, it's so funny when she got home last night. She was like, "Do I have to sleep with this?" It's like, yeah, because it's sewed on.
And she has 2 proms.
Yeah, 2 proms. So she's going again today. So we're showing you what happened yesterday.
Lydia stopped it.
It looks nice. No, you gotta test it, man. Gotta make sure it's nice and secure.
Oh,
and I had to make sure as well. I sewed the edges. And that was it. Just the main important areas, you know, when people could tug on your hair, or we know she likes to dance, so we had to make sure that was extra. Who she thinks she is with nails? She does everything with nails now.
She was talking with her nails to me.
Everything, like, look at the sky, bare extra.
She couldn't even sleep.
Now we're taking the leave out. Her hair was freshly washed, and we'll deal with that in a minute. Well, I'm gonna show you what I did with the makeup, starting with putting some vitamin primer on her face. This is from Primark. This stuff is lovely. Then just again, £1 local beauty shop eyebrow pencil. It does the job. And she's never really had her eyebrows plucked or drawn or anything.
She has naturally thick eyebrows too, which is not fair. She
just thicker than ours. Oil. I think we all just have like light colored eyebrows, but they're there. And yeah, don't worry, this will be cleaned up in a minute, but I was just trying to like trace her natural eyebrow section, and this part is visually pleasing for me, but I put the pure beige color LA Girl Pro concealer under her eyebrows. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I love this stuff because I like the 2 colors, fawn and pure beige. We don't have any foundation, so I use this as like a foundation and concealer. You'll see in a minute. Doing the halo thing, but just blending that out because I hate when it's too obvious. And now I'm using the fawn color under her eyes and on her nose, on the sides of her nose, above her lip, a bit on the chin. And this is just lightly done, like I didn't cake it up or anything because this is concealer. And then I'm just like blending.
Alright, Lydia.
Listen, yeah? MUA.
I see you.
MUA skills, yeah? Book me. This was fun because actually, fun fact, when I was like 16, 17, I used to like do people's hair, and I remember I did do one girl's prom makeup and hair, and it came out quite good. So this was fun to do again. And yeah, then I'm gonna just add a bit of the pure beige, the lighter concealer on top of her under eyes, and yeah, that's the coverage done. Using some nice blush on her face, told her to smile, so you know we could just get it there. I like simple looking makeup with a bit of drama.
About to cry.
Her eyes were leaking. This is her just simple eyeliner again. Then this is I think NW45 matte bronzer from MAC. Used just to bronze up her face a little bit, and again keep the makeup simple. And then I used this same matte bronzer to lightly contour the nose, bring in all those colors again. And sometimes I use it as an eyeshadow, but not in this case. And yeah, just there we go. Looking good, looking good. Now I've got this eyeshadow palette using the purple color because the dress Alma made is purple. So it's a nice purple theme going on. Purple rain. Purple rain. I'm blending that in and then using a bit of the black color just to lightly just, you know, bring all the colors in. You can see what's happening. Listen. Yeah. There we go.
Oh, lovely.
It's coming together. Now I'm using this Tropical Storm eyeshadow palette from Primark. £4. Cheap and cheerful, chapes. And using this silver color just to like bring some glow. Yeah? Bring that glow. Wow. Bring that glow. Bring that glow.
Glowing.
Then using some mascara.
Hey, yup.
On her things. We didn't buy no lashes because I didn't think she needed some. Again, this is what's it called? Is that matte? Yeah, it's from Primark. It's a purple lipstick.
It's like velvet.
Yeah, velvet, I think is what it's called. Liquid lipstick. We love this because it stays on all day and it's cheap. I just blended the corners of her mouth as well because I'm better at doing my own lipstick. This is an intense liquid lipstick, again from Primark. And this is nice to like mix in with the darker because it just like, what's that? Oh, high shine lip gloss as well to just gloss up the look. But it's kind of like that Selena ombre lip thing going on. And this is a highlighter from Revolution, cheap and cheerful, chapes. And just highlighting lightly a few areas and under her brows and stuff like that. I'm slowly learning more how to do eyeshadows, so this was fun. And then just gonna finish it off with some liquid liner from Primark. Once again, £1, lads. £1.
I didn't see that liquid liner.
Yep. And this is the look done.
Oh wow.
And yeah, then I just took a wand curler. I forgot to show the heat protectant, but I put heat protectant on her hair first. And I'm just like lightly wanding it, and then I took the curler just to warm it up a bit. Alma, what were you doing here?
I'm here dressing the beautiful model, my little sister, in the dress I made.
How long did it take you?
It only took me about 3 weeks to make.
In between of like doing everything else, working, stuff like that. You found time to do it. Very proud of you.
Thank you. I tried to put some fashion tape, but that did not work.
That kind of failed.
That failed. I didn't even get how the tape works. So I was like, okay.
But that's cool.
Never mind.
Here I just wetted the wig a bit with some water, brushed it, and then I used hairspray to spray on top of her hair because I know how humidity in that works. Scarfed it down, some Eco Styler gel just for her edges to make the hairline look a bit natural in case the wig wanted to show off. We got you covered up. See what I'm saying? We got you covered up. Did the other side. And yeah, I hairsprayed the edges down as well. And that is the look of, oh my gosh, everyone's here, taxi's here, gotta go.
This is where the tape was not working.
The tape was failing, but that's alright. We had a plan B, which was just to tie it up a bit tighter. Oh wow! Look at you! Oh, how cute does she look? She looks gorgeous. What's your big head doing in here?
Well, I had to get in the photo. You know, I love to photo bomb.
Get out the picture.
Nothing changed since day one.
Did you see my leg?
Lydia, get out.
Guys, look how well Alma has done. And she better return my rings, by the way. But look how well Alma has done with the dress.
Thank you, thank you.
You have done very well, eh?
Yeah, thank you. That's the nicest thing you've said.
Alma wants to start her own company.
Yes,
so look out for that, yeah?
Yes.
But yeah, Vanessa, few facts about her. Youngest sister of ours, loves books, extremely dramatic, drama queen, will be on future TV screens.
Yes,
look
Lord.
Out.
Like,
love posing.
Yeah.
Banter. Why did you have to show my trousers?
Lydia, I just...
Why?
Look at you. You think you're in prom?
Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We are knackered.
Call
us, yeah. We're the GLAM team. Call us.
Yes.
Make sure y'all click that subscribe button for some more,
like,
and
follow, share
us at Lydia
and Alma.
Alright.
Okay.
Cause y'all